Hello children, welcome to my channel Priya Gulati Maths. Today I am going to solve question number 3, part 3, exercise 1.3 from chapter real numbers. The question says prove that 6 plus root 2 is irrational. Now first of all look at this question. Whatever you see inside the root sign, what term is that? Root 2. And this formula I have already given to you earlier also, that square root of any prime number is irrational, and you know that 2 is a prime number. So it means this root 2 part of this expression is an irrational number. So first of all you have to understand in this expression that root 2 is an irrational number. Learn this formula, that square root of prime number equals to irrational number. Now let us come to our question. Prove that 6 plus root 2 is irrational. Now this question we do it by contradiction method. Now what is meant by contradiction method? I have already solved all the rest of the question of this exercise by contradiction method. So please go back to those videos first to understand this question properly. So let us come to our solution. In this contradiction method, whatever you are required to prove, 6 plus root 2 is irrational, we have to prove. So whatever you are required to prove, I will assume just the opposite of it. Means I will assume that to the contrary, that 6 plus root 2 is rational. Means irrational की जगह हमको इसको rational assume करना है. So how will I write 6 plus root 2 equals to a upon b? This is the form of a rational number where a is integer and b is also an integer. So where a and b are integers and a and b are co-primes. Co-prime means a and b cannot be cancelled, means a and b don't have any factor common, and of course b is not equal to 0, because if b is 0 then a upon b will become undefined. Now our purpose will be to bring root 2 alone on one side and rest of the term on the right side. So if I bring 6 on the right side, I will get root 2 equals to a upon b minus 6. 6 I can write as 6 upon 1 also. So next step may root 2 will become equals to, take the, now I have to subtract these two terms, take the LCM of b comma 1, LCM of b and 1 is b, so I write b. Now b divided by b gives you 1, 1 into a gives you a, minus minus, b divided by 1 gives you b and b into 6 gives you 6b. So what is your right side? A minus 6b upon b. This I name as equation number 1. Now look at the numerator. A is a integer, minus 6 is a integer and b is an integer. Remember a and b in the beginning itself we have assumed them to be integer. So in the numerator a is an integer, minus integer into integer gives you another new integer. So it means integer minus integer, and integer minus integer will again give you a new integer. So it means that as a whole the numerator is a integer, right? Now come to the denominator. Denominator mein b is there and b is also an integer, right? So what do you see in this right side? That numerator is an integer, denominator is also an integer. So as a whole this is integer upon integer, and by the very definition of rational number, integer upon integer is a rational number. So I say that right side of this equation 1 is a rational number. So how will I write it? Since a and b are integers, therefore right hand side of equation 1 is a rational number. So if right side is rational number, the left side, therefore root 2 should also be a rational number. But we know that root 2 is irrational. In the beginning itself I explained you that square root of prime number is irrational. So it means root 2 is irrational. So it means these two statements, that root 2 is rational and root 2 is irrational, they are contradicting each other. Means they are just opposite of each other. So it means, but what is the correct statement? That root 2 is irrational. So this gives rise to a contradiction. So therefore our assumption that 6 plus root 2 is rational is incorrect. In the beginning whatever I have assumed 6 plus root 2 is rational number is incorrect. So what will be the correct statement? That 6 plus root 2 is irrational, right? So this is how your question is done. Then in the end if we conclude that 6 plus root 2 is irrational, this was what we were required to prove. 6 plus root 2 is irrational. Our question is done. Bye bye.